Here we're asked to write the expression with a single exponent. We have 10 to the power of 5 to the power of 7. So eventually we want to get to the point where we can use this power to a power rule because that's going to be the easiest way to solve this problem here. But to make sure we understand how to do that, I'll go ahead and go into expanded form to show us what it looks like. First of all, what I need to know is 10 to the power of 5 to the power of 7 is like saying 10 to the power of 5 multiplied by itself 7 times. So that looks like this, where we're taking 10 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 5, and so on, 7 times. So this, we could actually use the multiplying a power rule to help us with that, but we'll go over that in just a little bit. To actually show expanded form here, we need to expand each of these exponents as 10 to the power of 5, which ends up being 10 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 5, and so on and so forth. So now I have officially wrote out 10 to the power of 5 to the power of 7 in expanded form, but you see here that I've wrote 10 a bunch of times. And really what we're seeing here is that, okay, we know that we're multiplying 10 by itself a bunch of times. We got to figure out how many times are we multiplying it by itself. Well, expanded form is nice because we can actually go through and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and all the way till we get our final answer of 10 to the power of 35. But there's a couple of easier ways to do it. First of all, let's go back a step and let's see if we had expanded it to this form right here. We know that the rule for multiplying exponents with the same base is we can actually add the exponents here to get what our final exponent is. So 10 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 5, we take 5 plus 5 and get 10 to the power of 10. Then we add another 5, so 10 to the power of 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 to get 10 to the power of 35. But there's an even easier way if we know our power to a power rule. Because what we can do here is we know that we're taking 10 to the power of 5 7 times. So what we can do here is take 5 times 7, which gives us our final answer of 10 to the power of 35.